In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly navigate through your Squarespace website and add a calendar block. This is a great way to enhance the functionality of your site, especially if you want to keep your visitors informed about events or schedules. Now let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or whichever one you are comfortable with. Once you're online, you need to head on over to the Squarespace homepage. If you aren't familiar with the web address, you can simply type Squarespace into your search engine and select the official site from the search results. Upon arriving at the Squarespace homepage, you'll want to log into your account if you're not already. Look for the login button, usually in the top right corner, and enter your credentials. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your site's dashboard. It's here where most of your web management tools are located, a real hub of creativity and control. Now, within your dashboard, locate and click on the section labeled EDIT. This is your gateway to making changes to your website. The interface should feel quite intuitive, as Squarespace is known for its user-friendly design. Once you're in the edit mode, a variety of options will become clickable, signifying they're ready for modification. As you hover around the different sections of the page, keep an eye out for an icon or button that says ADD block. Click this and a new menu will emerge showing all the different types of blocks you can incorporate into your page. Each block has its distinct purpose, helping you customize content exactly to your desire. At this point, we're getting closer to the exciting part. From the collection of block options, identify and select the one labeled Calendar. This feature is particularly useful for those who wish to maintain a dynamic and engaging site. It allows you to display upcoming events or important dates in a streamlined format all visitors can access. Once you've selected the calendar block, click on it. Doing so will integrate a calendar directly into your web page layout. You might need to resize or reposition the calendar, and you can typically do this by dragging the corners or sides of the block to fit the area you envision. And there you have it, a brand new calendar block on your Squarespace website. Feel free to experiment with different placement and configurations to suit your needs. Remember, adding elements like these can significantly enhance user interactivity and make your website more compelling and informative. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial where we'll explore even more ways to elevate your Squarespace site.